I would like to introduce to all of you children of Brother Imran from his first wife, Sister Nida, by requesting them to give all of you a small presentation. First of all, I would like to call Sarra Fatima bint Imran and Saria Fatima bint Imran to kindly come on the stage. Sarra Fatima bint Imran is just 4 years old and is in nursery, while her elder sister Saria Fatima bint Imran is 5 years old and is studying in lower KG. I request both of them to give their presentation. Jazakallah khair. Now I request Sima Hussain Siddiqui bin Imran to come on the stage. Sima Hussain Siddiqui, the son of Brother Imran, is 7 years old and is in first class. I request him to give his presentation.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد Amin sum Amin. I shall now read Surah names and numbers. Surah Fatiha, Surah number 1. Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2. Surah Al-Imran, Surah number 3. Surah Nisa, Surah number 4. Surah Maida, Surah number 5. Surah Anam, Surah number 6. Surah Araf, Surah number 7. Surah Anfal, Surah number 8. Surah Tawbah, Surah number 9. Surah Yunus, Surah number 10. Surah Hud, Surah number 11. Surah Yusuf, Surah number 12. Surah Ras, Surah number 13. Surah Ibrahim, Surah number 14. Surah Hijr, Surah number 15. Surah Bani Israel, Surah number 17. Surah Kahf, Surah number 18. Surah Maryam, Surah number 19. Surah Taha, Surah number 20. Jazakallah khair.
Jazakallah khair. That was Simak Hussain Siddiqui, the son of